Today's video is all about going ahead on roundabouts, nothing too tricky, how to approach a roundabout, get yourself in the correct lane to go ahead on a roundabout. So on this video we're going to be working on going ahead on roundabouts. So it's basically for people who are learning roundabouts. If you look at the two previous ones, which is left turns on roundabouts and right turns on roundabouts, if you're not sure, then look at them first before you come on to this one. Now on the going ahead, sometimes we're going to use the left lane, sometimes we're going to use the middle lane, sometimes we're going to use the right lane. A lot would depend on the approach to a roundabout and what it's telling you. But if it's a straightforward one, I'm going to try and keep the simple ones to make it easy to start with. Then would default would be the left lane unless it tells you differently. So if it's got 4 exits, 9 times out of 10 it's probably going to be the left lane to go ahead. But the problem people do is they drift into the middle, so it's sticking to your lane going round the roundabout. Remember, it's a roundabout, not a crossabout, so you got to go round it. It's okay, let's get going, let's see how we get on, and I'll try and talk me the way through it when we're doing it. And remember, if you like the videos, feel free to share them, feel free to let people know, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. So I'm just going to go left, we're going to get out of here, in a minute maybe, and we're just going to wait for the safe gap. So I'm in first gear, and what I'm doing at the moment is just using a bit of gas and clutch and hovering without the handbrake. So if you want to watch them videos, by the way, about left and right turns, I'll put a link in the description so you can watch them at the same time. So we're going to go ahead, and similar routine, that roundabout signs are prompt, but because we're going to go ahead, we're not going to signal. We're going to check our mirrors, and I say check all 3 so you know what's going on around you, behind you and so on. And we're slowing down for second gear again, so we're bringing our speed down, left lane to go ahead, and we're checking. It's nice and clear. Now stick to your left lane on the roundabout, turn with a bend. As you go past that bit there, check your mirrors and let people know you were coming off with a left signal. You're letting that blue car know that you're coming off. You're letting the cars know behind you that you're coming off. And I'm building my speed back up, and I'm carrying on going along here. And remember, as we do the roundabouts, we're going to try and go ahead on all of them. As repeat, repeat, repeat. That's what you got to keep remembering. Practice makes perfect. You're not going to grasp it all in 10 minutes. You're going to have to repeat, repeat, repeat. And so after the first lesson with your instructor or second lesson, don't worry if it's not perfect. The routine's what's important, safety and so on. It's a little bit miserable, but that's life. At the moment with the rain, we're going to go ahead. And there's your route, there's your sign, so I'm checking. Slowing myself down for the roundabout, and I'm bringing my speed down nice and slowly, not in a massive rush, and I'm getting that second gear selected just before that bend, 2 lanes, so I'm going to use left lane to go ahead. Checking the white van, slowing down and going to first gear now. There's a silver car behind it, so I'm stopping at the white line, the giveaway line, and there's a gap, gas biting point, and I'm in the left lane going ahead, turning with a bend, checking my mirrors, signaling to come off. Now, when you get a car next to you on your right like that, then I don't know if you can see in the video, there's a car following me around. It's going to go right, but sometimes they might try and put the foot down, get ahead of you and cut in. If they do, ease off the gas. Remember, as a perception, deal with the problem. Don't try and force your way. People say, "Am I right away?" Well, it is, but someone's being a bit cheeky and trying to get ahead of you. So learn to get ahead of you. So we're going to go ahead on the roundabout. Next one that comes up. And we can see what's going on there. It's like the sign's missing, but you see the roundabout, so I'm going to start acting on what I need to do, which is check my mirrors, slow myself down. Looks a little bit busier, so there's a good chance there's a middle lane here. I'm slowing down, and remember it's raining, so it's hard to see the lanes. Yeah, there's a middle lane. I can just about see the arrow saying ahead. So I'm getting myself lined up in the middle, and I'm checking, slowing down for the traffic, and then I'm entering to go in the left lane on the roundabout. Turn with a bend, check my mirrors and signal. Remember the routine, don't go mirror signal turn, because you're going to go head for the curb. So as you head to the left lane and you start turning to go around that roundabout, check your mirror signal then. quite a common fault people do. They kind of try and do the mirror signals first before they've done anything else. And we're going to go ahead again. So it's repeat, 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 repeat. Nothing too tricky. Keep it simple. So when we come to the next roundabout, we're going to go ahead. This one, I think, slightly different, the layout. And you'll see it on the sign, if the sign's there, that is, if it's not been blew over or knocked down. And there it is. This one's got 3 exits. So we're going to go ahead. Now, there's no left turn directly on the left. The first exit's ahead of you. So if you were following a sat nav, it will say take the first exit. So it's actually a left turn, but it's ahead of you, if that makes sense. So it's left lane still. So I'm checking my mirrors, slowing down for a lower gear again, second gear before the bend. Checking to the right. That learner's taking the time, so we're going to carry on going. Now as I enter, mirrors now signal and letting everyone know. That white car needs to know I'm coming off. And I'm building my speed back up, going back up. So the routine will stay the same. That white van on the right might pull out. That's a perception, that's what I'm thinking when I'm driving. I'm just talking about what I'm say ahead of me at the moment. And at the next roundabout, we're going to go ahead again. So the thing about roundabouts is if you repeat, repeat, repeat all the time, you're going to get good at it. You're going to get used to what you should be doing. So that's all it is with roundabouts. It's just being safe, approaching at a safe speed. So I'm checking my mirrors, I'm slowing myself down, getting my speed down for that second gear, and selecting the gear before the bend. So before that red triangle, I'm in second gear, I'm in the left lane, because there's only 2 lanes here, checking what's going on the right. And I'm in the left lane going round, checking my mirrors after I've turned, signalling, and I'm off in the left lane, exiting. So, like I say, it's repeat. And I know it might sound like I'm going over the same thing again and again, but that's what you've got to do when you're first learning roundabouts. You're not going to grasp it all in 1 or 2 goes. You might think you've got it, but you need to repeat it, because the thing about roundabouts is they're not always the same. So this one here, I'm going to go ahead, I'm slowing down, and I'm slowing down a bit more because there's a little bit more hazards. They put them red bollards there, so you slow down deliberately. So some roundabouts are slightly different, but we're just sticking to standard stuff. And then we're just going to go ahead at the last one. So we're approaching the roundabout. I don't think there's a sign, but there's a red warning sign there, red triangle tells us the roundabout, and we're going to go ahead, second exit again. So we're checking our mirrors. That could be a good prop, that red triangle. Slowing ourselves down. Remember, it's always change gear before the bend. Don't try and change gear on the bend, because you're going to drift. You're going to drift into the other lane. Checking to the right, checking to the right. Final check. Left lane to go ahead. Check the mirrors. Signalling after I've turned. And then we're just going to pull over on the left. So I'll pull over by the tree. So that's the going ahead on roundabouts. And like I say, with the other 2 videos prior to this, it's repeat, repeat, repeat. Don't feel as though you're going to grasp it all in the first lesson. So when you've done your first lesson on roundabouts, remember, it's practice. So when you come to the second lesson, it'll feel a bit clearer. Don't be surprised if you make a little mistake, but you'll get easier and easier. The next one, we're going to work on more complicated roundabouts.